Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you change your username on your Twitter account. So first of all, open up your Twitter application, tap on the circle of your profile, tap on your name, and then press set your profile. The profile picture, let's skip it now. Later, let's skip it now again. And now describe yourself, skip it now again. Now here you can give you a username of your desire according to yourself, whatever you want to name yourself. Type it and press next. Strong and unique username, and then tap next, and your username will be set it on your Twitter account. It is pretty simple and pretty easy. Everyone can do it easily. And thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video will help you in any way. By following these steps, you can easily change your username on your Twitter account.